Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to this channel. My name is Nima, and in this video I'm going to unbox this pair of headphones, Bowers and Wilkins PX7 S2e. And it's basically it's as you can see is stand for evolve, a little bit upgrade for the PX7 S2, and they mentioned that this evolve means that there is new DSP tuning with a slightly warmer, more refined sound signature, improved acoustic materials and driver tuning borrowed from the flagship PX8, and new color option, which is not very important in this case, and a minor enhancement or improvement to noise cancellation comparing to PX7 S2. It suits for iPhone and iPad, but I use it for MacBook and anything else, no problem at all. It's very nice box. It's expected from this brand. Not that very luxury, but it's a standard level for this price. And here it is. You can see the headphone case or bag. It's more like a case with the prominent logo. Um, so let's open it. I should do it a little bit more. Yeah, here it is. It just doesn't stay. You should hold it with one hand. It's a nice headphones. Um, Again, nothing more than I expected in this range of price. I think it's synthetic leathers, um, good materials on the back of the headphones. I believe the structure is made of aluminum or aluminum. I don't know which one is correct in English. And you can see turn off and turn on bottom, and the volume bottom. I guess one of these buttons are for noise cancelling, and the other one is for answering the phone or play and pause. It's a fabric material, kind of meshy. It's sliding very well to adjust the size of the headphones. And here we have, oh, two cables. This one I guess is for charging, is USB-C. But this one has a headphone jack. Interesting. I didn't know about it at all. I guess I can use the old-fashioned direct to the source with this cable if the battery is empty. I like this option in any headphones because it's not guaranteed that you have full battery or somewhere you can charge your battery. So it's the second option. Um, Again, I like the headphone and I like this case. Um, I'm very flexible, it's not a huge problem. I'm going to review this headphone in a couple of months. Um, these are just paperworks. Um, let's just take a look at it. Um, it's a manual guide. You can download the app from the App Store or Google Play. And here is explanation about how these bottoms work. Um, I already download the app on my phone. It helps you to kind of equalize and learn a little bit more about the headphones, how the noise cancelling works. But as I mentioned, I'm going to use it for a while, and probably in the next video or in a couple of next videos I'm going back to this headphone to see the difference between at least this one and the other headphones I had before, Sony. Um, so thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and please consider to subscribe to this channel. Till next time, take care.